Welcome back. Taking a look outside at our fire weather forecast here. Still elevated for the rest of this week. Low relative humidity, so dryness, lower dew points are really the high concern there. Breezy winds at times, though today they're dialed back a bit. And then dry vegetation. Again, it's still dry out there. We haven't had enough rainfall to really make a difference, and it's not growing season yet either. 66, mostly sunny and a tad colder than the day before here. There's not much going on here for today or for tomorrow. A little bit more cloud cover as we go into Wednesday and for Thursday. But again, still seeing some sunshine. We won't see precipitation until about Friday. Thursday, kicking up a few showers from a system to the south. It'll kick up more cloud cover than shower chances here. Our best opportunity, Friday night going into Saturday early in the morning hours here. 38 clear and cool for tonight. Tomorrow's forecast at 71. Mostly sunny and warmer conditions across the region. Now, as mentioned before, we've got our next storm system that we're kind of keeping an eye for is going to be out towards our west. Now, this system kicks up cloud cover and maybe a small shower chance here in the southern portions of our viewing area for Thursday, but a lot of that rain staying to the south. It's Friday night we're watching out for. Notice we see that low pressure system coming out of the plains and out of the panhandles here, bringing in more of a cold front and shower and thunderstorm activity. This is going to be a late night event here, but with the dynamics that we have, both with shear and also possibly that instability, could see some severe weather potential too, especially to the southwest portions of our viewing area here. We wrap up that system as we go into next week though, and dry conditions return. So does the warmer weather. But look at that, quite the jet streak coming in out of this low here, and that's a good spot for severe weather development there towards the four-state area. Also here in central Illinois too, pretty good jet streak. Not as impressive as what we saw yesterday, but still enough to get things going this time of year. So we'll have to wait and see if instability plays along as well. We've got our source of lift, we've got our shear. Do we have our instability? Well, models are showing that we have some there as we go into Thursday, but also into Friday afternoon. A lot of that's the western portions of our state closer to St. Louis, but once we go to 9 o'clock and even beyond, it starts to die down just a little bit. But is that still enough to cause thunderstorms? Still has yet to be seen, but I think the better opportunity for severe weather is going to be closer to St. Louis. Doesn't mean we're out of the woods though. Here, this is for Friday, day 4, slight risk for much of our viewing area. That enhanced risk has moved northward towards Sullivan, out towards Springfield, towards St. Louis, down to the south too. It's a pretty wide area of enhanced risk. This will start to get more refined as we go forward in time, but this is something to watch out for because it's kind of our first real taste of severe weather potential Friday night going into Saturday. So we're going to keep an eye on this system, and we're going to keep an eye on what we're expecting temperature-wise too, as well as move forward in time. I will say this, behind this system, we cool things down briefly. More on the warm weather coming up in just a bit.